Hey, it's Eddie with National Billiard Academy, and welcome to this new series, Pool Etiquette, and how to use it to gain a strategic advantage at the table. Enjoy. Are you on time? Are you on schedule? Respect of everyone's time, of course, is part of etiquette, correct? Billiards etiquette is the same way. However, the strategic advantage of being on time, you're playing league, you're visiting another facility that maybe you've not been to before. Did you arrive early enough to hit a few balls? What are the speed of these tables? Do you know how to tell the speed of a table? That's something we cover in the clinic very specifically. So, okay, I know that these tables are about this speed compared to my reference table, and I know this table has a dead rail, so I'm gonna stay away from that. See how pool etiquette can give you a strategic advantage? Let's arrive early, and let's have a game plan when it's our time at the table. At the Intensive Pool Clinic, we'll show you how to employ these and many other techniques to give you a strategic advantage at the table. I want to thank Team NBA for their help, Sure Thing Billiards, and I want to thank you for watching. Take care.